everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Grass Designs. I'm coming by today to share what I spent a $50 Amazon gift card on. First of all, the Amazon gift card was not a Christmas gift, so it was just for doing a damn survey. I've been making stretch bracelets, and these in particular are with polymer clay beads. So that's what I've been doing, is polymer clay beads. These are just some pearls with the new Hippie Crafter mica. Oh, I don't know why I couldn't think of that. These are the the Resin chameleon powders. Love those. These were just experimenting with some Baroque freshwater pearl kind of shapes. Okay, this one has a hole from top to bottom. And again, these are with the chameleon powders, but they're on white. And any kind of mica powder, really and truly, the chameleon powders especially, do better on a dark bead core, if you want to call it that. Now, because I'm out of black, and yes, completely out of black, these bead cores are silver, which really was a good alternative, I think. It does change the color a bit when you change the bead core color. These were also on silver. So, like, you can tell the mica just didn't quite cover that silver completely, on that end at least. But they're really pretty, I think. So, anyway, I don't know why I went off on that tangent, but this was just a scrap that I was trying to use up. This is that completely unusable black. This is what it looks like on black. This is the white silk Hippie Crafter. This one I think is that burnt umber. This one was the yellow something. I don't know what. I don't know. And then this one, let me find the piece that actually has some viewable. Yeah, really none of them do, but you can barely see. This one was the I'm not sure actually what the color was. Might be the silver black. I'm not sure. But anyway, on the black, it just literally almost disappeared. It just had the bareliest of a flash, you can see that. But, let's see. On the silver, it came out that color. So who knows? Okay, again, I don't know why I went off on that tangent. Oh, to explain why I bought what I did. This is, I believe it was 400 of these are the resin, I've been watching way too many crafting videos. These are the rhinestone spacers. Okay, and the 400 came in 3 different sizes. I don't know what the sizes are. Give me my ruler. Okay, maybe my glasses. Okay, these are 10 millimeter. How hard was that? 10 millimeter. Then there are, this looks like maybe the biggest bag, as in amount. I can't confirm that, but that's what it looks like. Get one of those up there by itself. This looks to be about 8 millimeter. And then these must be 6. Yep, 6 millimeter. So those will come in so handy. Just trying to get them to fit back in this totally ridiculously stupid box. I bought these, I don't know where they came from. Dollar store or something, I don't know. And I love them, but they don't stay closed. Part 1. You'd really think $50 went a lot further, but then I bought, this is a 200 millimeter UV resin, hard type, and it is Lamino. Okay, I am so sorry. 200 grams of the UV resin Lamino. One of the things I've become aware of, not everybody's sense of smell is evidently the same. Okay, just throwing that out there. Many people cannot stand the Lamino brand because they think it smells. Many people don't like a Lumelite brand 2-part resin because they think it smells. I get comments all the time about it. To me, the Lamino has no smell. When curing, it gives off a little bit of UV resin smell is all I know to call it. Doesn't smell anything like the nail salon that you pass. Oh. I don't know how anybody can even go in there. But that's my sense of smell. I've used brands that smell atrocious to me. When you buy the 2-part resin in the plunger, like at the dollar store or something, that stuff stinks. Oh. To you it might not stink. I don't get it. This to me though really works well with my UV light. The last time I purchased this one. YRYM. I don't know if you pronounce that. I don't know. Same thing. UV's resin, hard top, 200 grams, and will not cure in my UV light. I haven't tried my older light. That's what I need to do to see if I can still use this. Yeah, was really disappointed. Sorry, I'm gonna pet it for a minute. The last one I had was the 1,000 grams. Great big. But this time I just got the 200 grams. So. Please let this work. I'll be glad to use my old light if I can get this to work. Alright? Okay. Sorry about that. Gemstone bracelets, stretch bracelets, with the tiny little rhinestone spacers. Sorry, the polymer clay ones I showed didn't have any rhinestone spacers. So that's what I was trying to show you. Metallic alcohol inks. Sorry, I already filmed all this once. Pearl gold. A lot of these are going to look really similar, but I promise you they're different. Maize yellow. I'm sorry, I'm going to put my glasses on so I can read these better. Although, I don't need help with this one. Gold. When have you ever bought a paint, alcohol, ink, anything that's just called gold? It's always an antique gold, maize, Mayan gold, something. This one is fuchsia. Pink gold. I would actually call that a pink silver. But what do I know? Light bronze. Light gold. Brown. Pearl white. Orange gold. See, like I'm telling you, you'll think it looks really similar, but really and truly, that is an orange gold. Champagne gold. I always think of champagne gold as like a mix of gold and silver. And that's exactly what this looks like. A copper. Okay. Bronze gold. Ooh, that looks like a green gold. I don't know if you remember the, I don't know what year, 90 something probably. A Taurus Ivy Gold. I actually used to drive one. Rose Gold. That is definitely a rose gold. Beige, sorry. Definitely an off-white pearl color. Red gold. Silver. Sand yellow. Bronze. Light brown. Okay. Coffee, which you nearly can't read. Gray. Red copper. And sand gold. Okay. Those are gonna be so fun. Yes, I do have a project in mind. And yes, I have to wait on supplies. So, they have been ordered and are on their way, but I just don't know how long they'll take. I would show you a sneak peek, but that would be cheating, so I'm not going to. Alright. 24 metallic alcohol inks. Okay, that's it. 24 colors alcohol ink, metallic alcohol ink, UV resin, and the bracelet spacers, the rhinestone spacers. $50. Boy, that really went fast, didn't it? I'm gonna be taking a break from YouTube for a week, maybe 2 weeks. I'm gonna do some spring cleaning, some spring organizing, rearranging, something to this craft room. Okay? So, hopefully when I come back, we'll all be refreshed and ready to go. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from. The rest of my social media links will be listed below, as well as the links to the products that I mentioned. I'm so excited about these alcohol inks. They're going to be so fun. And hopefully we'll go with my next project, or an upcoming project. Depends on how long they take to ship. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.